As you can see, two scripts are running but are using the V2 API. To fix this problem, close the game. Check my video description for this mod. I click on the script hook5.net and select WinRAR and select extract to option. Once extract done, open the extracted folder. I click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop all these files inside the game folder. Replace the file in the destination and then select the delete option that we dropped. Now the mod is completely deleted. Go back and again right click on the zip and select vendor and select extract to. The files are extracted. Open the docs, copy this script hook 5.net 3, paste it in here. Select the script hook 5.net 2.dll and 2.pdb. Right click inside delete option. Now drag up all these files inside the game folder. You can launch the game. And as you can see, there is no more messages pops up. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.